Voila, praises due to the Most High Allah.
Get ready, get ready.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am like so excited because today, OMG, like this Makeup Monday is like a package that I'm just like so excited about. That she's just so bomb, she's so dope, she's a sweet person, and her makeup be on point. So this is what it looks like. It's like a brown box. Got my scissors and here we go. So excited. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is what this flap looks like. It's kind of like a nice, beautiful, soft pink color. So I'm just so excited about this box because it's from a fellow Cali girl, myself, and she's just dope. And she's a boss bitch. So it is KKW Beauty. How beautiful is that? Like the flap has like KKW Beauty on this side. That's like genius marketing, Kim. So dope. I love that packaging. Oh wow. Look at, oh my gosh. All around the packaging of the box is like pink inside. This is how this looks. It's just like regular paper. This is like the little slip. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Right at this point in this video, the cue needs to be like light just coming out of this box and like Today, it is unboxing GlamBible. Girl, you have no idea how much I love KKW Beauty and I love Kim. So if you don't like Kim, this is not the video for you. But anyway, moving right along. So this is the GlamBible, and I'm gonna open it. So inside of here, it includes eyeshadow palette, blush, highlighter, lipstick, lip liner, lip gloss, eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. And this is called Smokey Volume 1. And it lifts up like a sleeve. Oh my gosh, and it says KKW Beauty again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Okay. Here we go. It opens. There's a magnet. Oh my gosh. This is so aesthetically beautiful and just like so clean packaging, and it's just girl Kimmy.
Yeah. In her Bible.
In
my Bible,
beautiful.
right.
Look at this. So this is the eyeshadow, this is eyeliner, lashes, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner, highlighter, blush. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm going to show each one up close on camera, but I'm not going to do swatches in this video. I'm gonna do a separate video of like a full face of KKW Beauty using GlamBible, and this retails for $150. And I know some people are like, whoa, but this is pretty awesome because for $150 you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things, and it's like the essentials you need for your face. Like everything that you need for your face is basically in here besides foundation and concealer. Everything else is here. So let's see. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It says KKW Beauty. Oh my gosh, and it has a little mirror. Oh wow, this mirror is a great mirror. I see everything right now. Oh my gosh, I love it. And these are the colors, which is like 6 eyeshadow colors. It's like 5 matte colors. So it looks to me like this is for like the base, brow, smoky eye, and a little bit of a shimmer shadow. So this is how it looks. So I feel like this is a base color. This, if you do a smoky eye, that's like the black color, or you can use a brown color. This is like the shimmer color. Oh, there you go. These are beautiful. This is like a beautiful pan. So I would use this right here for like brow highlighter, and this I would use like base color. This is like a brown color, so to smoke it out, I would smoke out my waterline with this, and then with the black color, like I would do like the creasing and maybe the side of the waterline, or alternate with this brown color. And then this is like a beautiful shimmer that you could just like probably line the corner ducts with, or you can just like create whatever look you want to. But this is like a smoky palette look, but I can definitely make more looks with this palette besides smoky eyes. Beautiful packaging. I love it. It's like, and it like can fit in like a bag or purse. It's like very compact and convenient. Okay, so yeah, the next after the eyeshadow palette is this beautiful girl right here, and it is KKW Beauty black eyeliner, and it says like KKW Beauty right here, and black eyeliner. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's a twist up. Is this a twist up or is this a sharpener? It's a sharpener, but this is how it looks like. It's like so dope. So then, I mean, eyeliner is pretty like plain and simple, so I guess I really don't have to talk about that too much. Next, the lashes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love lashes, I love lashes. So this is how this looks, and it says KKW Beauty, and these are called Smokey Volume 1 lashes, and they are lash 1, and this is a synthetic natural blend. Girl, do you see how beautiful these are? Oh my gosh, I love these. So these are like, let me take off the top plastic. I like the fact that they're just like in this. It's like plain and simple, and like you can put these in your purse on the go too, or traveling. Oh, they feel really soft. So these are wispies, and they're very, very natural looking and very soft. So I love these lashes. And I like the fact that the band is not like a black band, but it looks like the band is a clear band with like a bunch of, seems like they put a bunch of like individual lashes in the right spots, so like they're very natural looking. These are literally eyelashes that look like lash extensions, like the individual ones, so it's pretty dope. I really love them. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited. Next is this. Look at her. KKW Beauty mascara. So I like the weight of this, and let's see how it looks. This is the brush of the mascara. Let's see. I said I wasn't gonna do something, but oh wow, nice. Wow, okay, so this is everything. Cam girl, this is everything, because girl, if you know about mascara, you could tell when a mascara really, really works when you put them on the bottom lashes. So beautiful, they're not clumped together. I really like the brush of this, and the formula is dope. So I'm so excited to like when I'm actually gonna do like a full face of like KKW Beauty GlamBible. But moving right along, next we're going to go to a lipstick, and this is called Classic Icon #1, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's like clear packaging, but inside is the same beautiful, I would call this like a nice beautiful pink with brown color. So like all her packaging has the same color, which I love about that. This is how the top looks. So it's like a square, but it's translucent, so you could see right through it. Oh wow, beautiful. So this is like a beautiful nude lip. I love the shape, I love the angle, but I'm not going to use this right now, but I will definitely use it when I do my full face. Then this is number 6 that comes in the GlamBible. This is called Classic Icon #2. Same thing, beautiful packaging. And also a nude, but it's just like a little bit lighter than the other one. So I'm going to show you both of them at the same time. So this is a little bit darker and this one's lighter, but they're like both nude colors. So that's really dope. Kim, you be thinking of everything. A light nude and a rich nude. This like one has like, I want to say a pink undertone, and the other one is like neutral undertone. And then this is what I love. I like lipstick, but I love gloss. So this is what the gloss looks like. And this is called Lust, and it's a beautiful pink mauve color, and this is how it looks. I don't want to put this on because I have on like pink lipstick and I have gloss on top of it, and I'm like weird about like mixing like other tones inside of other tones. So I will definitely be doing a full face of KKW Beauty GlamBible, but Just not right now, girl. And then this is lip liner, and this is called Classic Icon Liner. It says KKW Beauty. Then it's like this. It's beautiful. It looks like brown. Then this is next. KKW Beauty. And let's see. This is either blush or highlighter. So let's. Aw, this is so dope. This is blush. And it has like a mirror right here. Which is, this is a nice size. On camera, that like you can't see, well, the true size to it, but this is like a nice size for like your purse. It's like, a compact is like this, but it's like the square portion of a compact, so it's a nice size. And this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It's a nice, soft peach color, but more on the neutral side. I love it. And I'm definitely gonna be having this in my purse. Alright, so next, and last but not least, this, which is called Glitz and Glam. Definitely is a highlighter. Oh wow, beautiful. It's nice, a nice gold, but soft gold color. Look how beautiful that is. Nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna love playing up in this. And what I like is, like, if you like see everything, you definitely see the fact that everything coincides with each other. I love that about KKW Beauty. Like, when you look at it, like, you definitely see like it is, everything matches up. So yeah, like, I'm just so excited about this right here, GlamBible. Again, this retails on KKWBeauty.com for $150, and when you close it, it's like a book. So it's like everything that you need to do your makeup with, besides like foundation and concealer. But I mean, I just love this, and thank you for watching.